Yo, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Trust Wallet and create an account in it. First of all, we'll go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, and you type in the search bar Trust Wallet, just like that. Then you click on download. You see, I have already downloaded it, so I will go to the next step. Now we open the Trust Wallet and we click on create new wallet. Now you have to accept by checking this box right here, and you click on continue. Now it will ask you for a passcode, so I'm gonna type my code and come back to you guys right now. As you can see guys, this is the second step. It will give you a seed phrase with 12 words. You have to save it in a safe place, like type it in a paper or save it in your notes, but specifically don't give it to anyone, even your beloved guys. Just keep it in your own safe place. All right, now I will check these boxes, and now we click on continue. I will just copy see that phrase and finish the next steps, and I will come back to you. And now, as you can see, your wallet was successfully created. Now you just check these boxes, and now this is your wallet. You will receive all your tokens right here. You can buy any other tokens you want, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, by just clicking on them, and yeah, type in the amount that you want, and choosing the payment thing that we want to pay with, like Visa card, PayPal, and there's a bunch of multiple choices. So yeah, that was it for today. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.